Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How are you? I hope my all friends and viewers will be fine, okay, and doing well and enjoying their life with their sweet family and sweet friends like me. I am also good. I am also perfect. Alhamdulillah. Thanks of my Allah. So if someone suffering from any fever, I pray Allah Allah give them help. Allah give them health. Ameen. So let's again to back our video. Today my focus is very attractive and very impressive ideas about beautiful wooden decoration ideas, wooden projects. It's all our amazing wooden project designs and ideas for your home projects, small and big projects, handmade ideas. So please don't skip my video and don't forget anywhere. And don't go anywhere. Don't forget sharing my video with your family and friends. It's all our amazing and highly requested ideas about beautiful wooden projects. These are all impressive and amazing highly requested ideas, wooden projects, designs. So please don't skip my video and don't forget sharing these all videos with your all family and friends. Some are key stands, beautiful crockery stands, cup stands, plate stands, different type of many teeny things about kitchen crockery. And very amazing and perfect ideas, beautiful wooden projects. So please like, comment and don't forget sharing. These are wooden projects with your family and all friends. You can make also this beautiful wooden project with your hands, because it's handmade ideas, handmade projects.